Just a quick video on the Grundig Ocean Boy 202 or Transistor 16. If you watched any of the videos, I had taken off the tuning cords and the orange frequency indicators because the clutch mechanism back up in here that you could see, the silver wheels, I guess, weren't working. These are connected to the tuning knob in the front. So say when you select FM, the clutch will engage, and then this will be selected, and then the tuning cords would be wrapped around there several times, and then routed through some of these other pulleys over to here, the tuning capacitor pulley. Same thing for this one. This is for the AM, FM, and long wave. But I had taken those off since this clutch wasn't working, so you were tuning the radio in the blind, basically. So I thought, well, I can still hook up some dial cord to these pulleys. I just don't need to run it over here to the clutch. So that's what I did. So this is coming off of this pulley. It's running up here to the top. It's running over. A little small pulley here going to that one. That's going all the way down to the front, and then there's a pulley on the bottom. Wraps around and it's coming back and then coming down, and tied it off here. And similar, this is a FM pulley. Same thing, it's coming off here, going up, kind of similar routing, pulley down to the front. Another pulley down there, and then it's coming back over here, and then here, and back to here. So I can't use the tuning knob on the front of the radio to tune it, but I could still turn these by hand, and it's going to move the orange indicator that I attached. And I'll show you that once I put the chassis back into the radio enclosure. All right, I got the radio put back together and got the indicators on. You can see it's a little drooping here. I think that's because I didn't tighten up the dial cord tight enough, because I didn't have to wrap it around the clutch spindle, but that's okay. At least I know in the ballpark where I am. Same thing, FM is a lot shorter, but it is kind of drooping a little bit, but I'm good with that. So here's 900 AM. So as you can see, that's pretty good. Turn the camera here. So now at least I know which direction I'm going. And this is 950, so that's pretty good. So as I said, I have to turn the capacitor pulley in the back. That's, I think that's 7, this is 790. This is 740. So that's pretty close. A little high. Forgot what this is, 660, I think. So it's pretty close. Let's go to FM. This is KTSU, 90.9 KTSU. It's almost 91. So that's pretty good. Go down.
tax question, you could wait hours on the line thanks to funding cuts.
88.7
It's going to take them decades
KUHF,
to recover
so
from
that's
this,
Why 7 million Americans
that's pretty
are
close.
something.
88.7.
Support comes
So
from
that's pretty good.
The citywide celebration of live performances, participating organizations and co-creators.
Central 90.9 KTSU, your community
There you
station.
go,
By
90.9.
Marcus Miller. With Texas fans. 6 o'clock in Miami. I'm gonna get some right sign. Where Tesla is playing your starters at all in the preseason.
So at least you can see the radio is working well, tuning well, and at least I pretty much know pretty close to where I'm tuning, so this makes it a lot better. Let's see if we can hear anything on shortwave with the whip. All right, here's shortwave. This is 9350. I confirmed that on my Eaton Elite Executive.
Para você hoje, em todo o território brasileiro, Brasília tem a categoria do corajoso, velho do Rio, Alberto Paris, ao lado do José Francis, no dedinho básico, o maridão apaixonado da montanha, José Gil, o nosso querido Celso Ribeiro da Morinha, a produção é do Luiz Ferreira.